Hey everybody. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be going over a mental math trick I like. I started using this in middle school to help me with squaring numbers, and I think it's a big help. It's also just kind of fun to do. So we'll start by giving an example of how it works. So let's take 7 squared. Try it as just 7 times 7. We know that's 49. Great. And then if I wanted to find 8 squared, what I can do is I could do 7 squared, which we know is 49, plus 7 plus 8, right? And that would get us 7 squared, 49, plus 7 plus 8. And that gets us 64. So let's do it again with a different pair of numbers. Let's do 12 squared, which is 12 times 12 equals 144. And then let's see how we can find 13 squared based off of that. So you can do 13 squared equals 12 squared plus 12 plus 13, which is 144 plus 25 equals 169. So this is a nice trick because sometimes you know certain squares more easily than others. For instance, I know 20 squared, right, equals 20 times 20. I don't know why I wrote a 4 there. 20 times 20. I guess I was getting to the answer faster than we need to, which is 400, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4, and then you just add 2 zeros on. But then if I wanted to know something like 21 squared, instead of multiplying it out, you just do 400 plus 21 plus 20, which equals 441. Or if I wanted to say 19 squared, it's going to be 20 squared minus 20 minus 19, which is 400 minus 39, which gets me 361. Okay, so let's try some bigger numbers just to show that it works no matter what. So let's say you have 41 squared you're looking for, right? Or let's do 42 squared. What I could do is I could do 40 squared plus 40 plus 41. That would get me 41 squared plus 41 again plus 42. And that is going to be 1600 plus 164. And that gets me 1764. Great. And then you might be wondering why this works, right? So if we're taking a number that we're looking for, let's say, 31, right? Let's say x equals 31. That means x minus 1 equals 30. So with this, right, we'll take it and we can make a formula out of it and show how it's just basic algebra. So the rule I make, right, is x squared, some number squared is equal to the number before it, x minus 1 squared plus the number before it, x minus 1, plus the number we're looking for, x, right? And then why is it going to work? We'll do rules of FOILing and we'll add everything and you'll see. So you do x minus 1 times x minus 1 plus x minus 1. So let's FOIL here. Let's do it in blue. Okay, and that's going to get us x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then we're adding that on to x minus 1, which gets us x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 2x minus 1. And then what happens is the negative 2x and positive 2x cancel. The positive 1 and the negative 1 cancel, and we get x squared. So if we did 31 is x, then 30 is x minus 1. And we can just do the rule we've been following. So it would be, I'll just scroll down. 31 squared equals 30 squared plus 31 plus 30 equals 900 plus 61 equals 961. And just to show it out, right, with column multiplication, 31 times 31, 1 times, okay, so first 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 3 is 30. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9, and that gets us 961. So it's totally up to you which method works better, right? And obviously, if you have a calculator, that's great. But sometimes it's just more fun and faster to do it this way than even using a calculator, because it just, you have something memorized already, like 30 squared or 20 squared or 15 squared. And then you just add on to it a couple numbers. And yeah, so this is just a fun math trick I use when tutoring, when I'm trying to do the math faster than my students, or just to show them how to do it. Another way to check your work too. If you do it this way, you could just use this to check it. Okay. Again, let me know if you have any questions or comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.